Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Update WhatsApp in your OS because older builds hide notification controls. Open Settings, then Notifications, make sure system-level alerts are enabled. Once done, open WhatsApp and tap the three dots, go to Settings Notifications. You do this now so app-level controls match system permissions, otherwise changes won't apply. Keep your phone unlocked long enough to accept any permission prompts, and accept notification access when asked so WhatsApp can show banners and sounds. Next, configure the in-app notification behavior for both messages and groups because defaults often mute group chatter. In WhatsApp settings, notifications choose message tone, group tone, and vibration patterns. Make sure pop-up notification is set to your preference so alerts appear on screen. Once done, set custom notifications per chat for priority contacts. Open a chat, tap the name, choose custom notifications, then enable and pick tones. This ensures critical messages cut through quieter settings and show previews when needed. Finally, finalize by disabling battery optimization for WhatsApp so background delivery remains reliable. Go to battery settings and exempt the app. Test notifications by sending a test message from another phone and watch for sound, banner, and vibration. If notifications don't show, restart your device and recheck notification and background data permissions. Sometimes toggling allows notifications off and on resets delivery. If problems persist, backup chats, uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp as a last resort.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.